Welcome all of you. So today I have a question. One of our viewer asked a question. What is the eligibility criteria for studying material science and engineering in India? It's a good question. So I would like to divide this question in two parts. First, criteria by institution and criteria for yourself for better learning. So for institution, if you want to enter in different IITs, NIT, and central universities, and even some state universities offering material science courses and material science and engineering courses in B.Tech, BSc, and M.Tech, and PhD. Then there is a different criteria for different level. So for B.Tech, physics, chemistry, math is essential. For M.Tech, you must have a master degree in science or B.Tech or BE degree in engineering. But for science, from any branch of science, you can go for the research career, especially for the PhD degree and MPhil degree. I am not very sure that any institute is offering an MPhil degree in material science and engineering, but it's the material science and engineering offering a lot of research courses for the PhD degree. The other part of this question is, if you really want to learn material science and engineering and you are willing to excel as a good scientist, good engineer, and good technocrat by using this material science engineering as a technical background, then mathematics, chemistry, and physics must be your interest. More than that, you have a kind of attitude that you have to understand the importance of material at very common ground, because the common things are the most uncommon things in this world. So everything you have to see at the molecular level, and you have a plan to change the properties of molecule or any crystal system or any engineering material to get desired properties. So for institution, physics, chemistry, math are just eligibility criteria. But for the our self-learning, become a good student, become a good engineer, and even excel very proficiently through this background in different scientific communities and in different industries, you must be very enthusiastic about the physics, chemistry, and mathematics. More importantly, you have to be acquainted and technology loving guy, because the material characterization involve a lot of computational tool and lot of sophisticated machine. So only physics, chemistry, math, it is your background that you can enter for the courses. But if you are not a very machine loving person, not very technocratic person, and not very enthusiastic about mathematics and spectroscopy and group theory, then it will be difficult. Of course, you can say these spectroscopy, group theory, mathematics will develop slowly as you study B.Tech, M.Tech, and other research courses. Obviously, it is correct, but you have to be ready. We have to be ready that we are going to learn different things, because material science and engineering is a hybrid branch. It's a multidisciplinary science. It's a multidisciplinary engineering